agents. I hope you are doing well. Let's talk about something that is a fantastic resource that Keller Williams has put together for you, which is the Client Communication Kit. Now, you might notice that you are receiving emails from Keller Williams International that have some amazing resources in them. One of them being the Client Communication Kit. We're generally seeing these about every 2 weeks or so. If you are not receiving the email, make sure you check your spam, your promotions. But let's talk about how you can actually access these directly on KW Connect, and then how we're going to put these into practice. So I've logged into KW Connect, and it's actually the first one right here. It says available now, multiple offers kit, client communication kit. And if we click right on the box, we're just going to be able to create our campaign. And then it's going to take us to the page where we are able to download this resource right now. So again, we started on KW Connect. We looked for that client communication kit. We're looking at the multiple offer one. And then we're just going to click the download button right here that will allow that to download as a zip file for you. Now, once we download it, it's going to look like this. So if you're leadership, this probably looks really familiar to you. This is how we received the Bet on Red campaign. So for you agents, this is everything that you need at your fingertips. And so it's got instructions for you right up here of how you're going to best use this, what this collection includes. So we've got this nicely crafted email with the subject line right there. We want to pay attention to anything that's highlighted. That's anything that we need to change as we're adding it. And then it just talks about the housing market that we are all experiencing right now. It is already hotter than the summer sun. That's how they're starting it. We lead into speaking about if you're working with sellers or what sellers might want to know for buyers, and then also for agents. And then again, down here, we've got the closing of that email, and then you would insert your phone number right here. Underneath that, we've got a call script. Now, again, we're making sure that we're never calling or texting a number on the do not call list or leaving artificial voice or pre-recorded messages. For more information, you can click right on this link. It takes us right into the script. Again, we would switch out this yellow with whatever that pertains to you. We're listening to them. If the answer is yes, we move into this, no, and then a wrap up. And then the final sort of communication that we have is this really nice text script here again. So a nice text message to send out. We do have this social post that you can put on all of your social media. We've got a really nice caption down here, so they're telling you everything to do. And then we've got 2 brand new design templates that you can go in and customize. So as if this weren't enough of a fantastic resource on its own, we're going to talk about how to actually take this and how to build a smart plan out of this so you can ensure that this is going out to everybody that you want this to. So I am in my command dashboard. We're going to go into smart plans. For the sake of time, I've done a bulk majority of the heavy lifting ahead of this just so we can get just a clear understanding of how we would use this. So I've got this client kit. I named it multiple offers. We're actually just going to go in and edit that so we can take a look at it. And again, they've got everything there for you. So I just did a lot of editing and copy and paste, and everything is there. Now I changed the order of it because I actually want the phone call to be first. So all I did is I just clicked on make a phone call. I dropped that over here. It's going to come up as a task to me. So I've got call the contact first name and last name just so I know specifically who I need to be calling. And then I have taken that script. So again, it's just the script that they've given us right over here, that call script. I've taken that and I've actually just copied and pasted that directly into this. So when that task comes up, I see that and I've got the script right there for me. Then I decided that I want to wait maybe 2 days and I'm going to be sending an email. And then I come right down here and I've got that email. Now you could take this email that they gave you, again, all of the text and everything is right here, and we could just copy and paste that in there. I wanted to make it a little bit prettier. So I actually just went in and I picked one of the newsletters and I just took that image that they had given us and I uploaded that right there. And then I just said, turn your multiple offer scenario into a win-win. This is a mail merge, so it's going to say dear and then the contact's first name as you have them listed in command. And then I just took that entire text and I added all of that to this email branded to my information at the bottom right there. So again, you could take it and do that just as a simple email with the text. I just went into design, copy and pasted, popped all of that into the design. And then I'm going to wait about 6 days. Now, again, if you want to do this quicker or if you want to wait longer, that's completely up to you. I just decided let's wait 6 days. And then I went in and I added that text message. My Twilio account is connected, so this is going to go out automatically. So I just went in, again, hi, contact first name, added a little emoji right there at the end. And then I said I was going to wait 10 days, and then I created a task that I want to check in with whoever the contact is that I've added to this smart plan. And I'm just letting myself know in the task description that this smart plan has ended, check in on the next step with them. So once I've created this smart plan, I always want to remember to hit that save button right up here. I'm a big fan of adding contacts to the smart plan directly under the contacts applet, so we'd be able to go in there and just add the contacts directly from that. So that is step number 1. We're going to create that smart plan so we can ensure that this is all going out. Now remember that when we were looking at the client communication kit, we also have these brand new design templates that we can go in and completely customize. So I did go into designs and I created one of those. So let's just take a look at where we actually would access those. And so when we go into the design templates, both of those are considered social media designs. So when we go into designs, we're going to click on that plus at the bottom. We're going to choose social. Going to go into next. And then you might have noticed we've got a nice little section that is under the listing section over on the left. We'll take a look at that together. So when I come over here into listings, I've got spring selling season, and you've got these really nice new brand new templates. What I love is we're always marketing to the market of the moment. Now you'll see we've got a certified deal sealer, we've got an individual agent, or we've got a team. And so we can come in here and we can decide which of these that we want to use. I'm going to take a look at my designs because I actually created it. So you'll see right here, I created the certified deal sealer, just popped my name in there, put in my seller wins year to date as well as buyer wins year to date, want to win, added my logo right there. And then what I'm actually going to do to just make this even easier on myself and allow myself to save some time is I'm actually going to go into campaigns. Now we could do this either one. Maybe you wanted to do a boosted ad. Maybe you wanted to throw some money at it and see what sort of leads we get from that. We can absolutely do that. But what I'm going to take a look at today are the social posts because I want to make sure that I am posting this maybe after I've ran that smart plan. Maybe I want to run this in 10 days or something like that. So I'm going to actually go into social posts right up here. And I'm going to say that I maybe want to post this. We'll just say Saturday. I'm going to click create a social post. Now I can come in here and I can write the text, whatever I'd like to write right here. I might even see what they wrote over here. So I'm just going to take this entire caption that we've got right here. I'm going to copy all of this. And then we're going to come over here. We're going to paste that text, super easy. Again, I could add emojis in there if I would like to. And then I can choose from designs. I've actually saved it as an image, so I'm just gonna upload the image directly from my computer right here. There we go, I've got that certified. Perfect, everything looks great. And then down here, I'm gonna make sure I have my logo where I want it, and then I'm gonna schedule that post. So I'm gonna say what date and time. They even tell me the best days to post are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday mornings. Publishing time, I'm gonna say April 17th. I'm gonna stick with what they say. We're gonna keep it on a Friday morning at 10 a.m. We'll do that. And then all I'm gonna do is click right up here and choose schedule post. I don't have the logo there, but that's okay. I'm gonna choose schedule post, and then that would be there. It would automatically go out on the date and time that I have said I want it to. This is exactly what it looks like over here. So again, I don't know how quick that was, you guys, but in about probably 7 minutes, we created a smart plan where you are reaching out to everybody that you know, letting them know what's happening with the market, as well as putting some beautiful social media, really nice templates together. So hope that helps. Please use these. We need to market to the moment that we are in, and Keller Williams has created these for you, and they will bring you business. Have a fantastic day, everyone.